Hello students, so here I'm going to teach you about mathematics in B3. So you are going to learn about chapter 1. Chapter 1 is numbers to 1000. What will you learn? The first is read and write numbers to 1000. And then the second is estimate numbers to 1000. The third is sort odd and even numbers. And then the fourth is use many notation. The first is read and write numbers to 1000. There are some blocks here, thousands. Thousands includes 1000, and then hundreds includes 100. Tens include 10, and then ones include 1. Okay, let's learn together. 110. 110 is equal 10 ones here. And then 10 tens here is equal 100. Okay, next, 10 hundredths is equal to 1000. Okay, understand? Okay, great. So I give you some example about the blocks. Let's count together. How many blocks here? So the first is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this one is 400. And then the second is 1/10 here. 1/10 include 10, right? And then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So this one is 5 ones. So you can write here 5. So the totals are 450. So you can write in numerals like this, or you can write in words like this, 450. Okay, it's easy, right? So go to the next slide. Write in numerals and words. So let's practice together. So you can count these blocks. Finish. Okay. Write in numerals. This one is 234. Yeah, so you can write here in numerals like this, and then in words 234. Good job. And then the second is estimate numbers to 1000. Let's learn together. The jar can hold 1000 beans. The beans fill more than half of the jar. The number of beans is between 500 and 800. So if the jar is full of the beans here, the jar can hold 1000 beans, right? Okay, so you can estimate the beans here is between 500 and 800. Understand? Okay. Next, you can estimate it. Elaine divided the height of the jar into 10 equal parts. Each part is about 100 beans. There are about 100 beans, yeah? So up here is 100. So you can count with this one from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Good job. So there are about, so let's count together again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. 60 and 70 here, right? Okay, so there are about, because the number of beans is between 60 and 70, so there are about There are about, yes, there are about 65 beans in the jar. So you can answer there are about 65 beans in the jar, or you can answer there are between 60 and 70 beans in the jar. Okay,